The thing on.
Is this camera on me? That's stupid, you guys. That's stupid.
How y'all doing? You want to put on a different color shirt?
Oh, that's gotta come from this way.
Where we
That's my background.
I do.
This girl putting fingers all up in the thing. Desmond, you know what? You take your behind to a shop.
This is the show.
Don't come over here talking about do this, do that.
It's full service.
Ain't no fool, nothing.
Scratch right there to the left.
Desmond, be not doing all that. To watch where you lay your head. Tell me she itching.
Nobody said she itching.
Don't be trying to get my footage. Turn that phone off. This is my feet. Turn it off and get up out my phone. Over there trying to get a ring.
Please don't rinse it out. You ain't scratch good.
That's a pre-wash, Desmond.
Hello. I got to loosen this mess up. Why is your hair so tangled?
You just tangled it up like that.
I tangled your hair neither.
I call my
Girl, you
hair
heard she said something about tangled. I ain't gonna hurt.
Cause my ears. Mom, did you just lay my hand like that?
No, that's cause your hair ain't conditioned.
Shame putting up the oil.
That's what I'm
Yeah,
here
it's
for.
dry.
I put castor oil in my hair before I left the house.
At school, they used to set us out back there.
And castor oil is a laxative. We don't want to hear you guys
They sell it on the shelf.
talking about laxative.
I'm sorry, man.
Oh, my nostrils clear.
Y'all ain't got a texture book yet. That's for the texture girl.
Come over on YouTube. The house trying to get her done. She got lights, cameras all over. Who I don't like YouTube with that?
See?
Oh, it's cold! Oh!
Girl, this wine ain't no cold.
Turn this one down a little bit.
Put your arm.
Not for your
You know
head.
what she must do.
I like it hot.
Can I say something this? You have what they would call a troubled scalp. You shouldn't have it too hot. And you also have psoriasis.
But it's itchy. The water.
Let me tell you
Too
something.
hot.
I took care of your hair until how many years till you moved out of my house? And you never had a problem.
You know what you need to
I
put in
did
your
have
hair.
flakes in my hair when I was in high school. This boy hugged me one time and texted me after school and said, "What's that stuff that be in your head?"
Understand
Oh.
You need to be
No.
grateful that I hugged you. You
You're
want to go to
scared.
my steamer? I can see my steamer right there near the steamer.
I'm finna wash her head good, honey. I need that good orange cholesterol for her hair to condition. Cause her hair is just, ugh.
Oh,
Oh, what is that? Your mama.
What she do to
That
say?
smell it.
You smell my hair.
It stinks.
Oh.
Take me on.
That stinks.
Don't worry about it. I'll do it myself. Let me down.
What is this cheap shampoo she got? That was yours.
Mom, you had me them products at your bathroom and told me to bring them and sit them in
On
here.
your shelf that you leave
Wow.
over here. These your products,
Wow.
baby. That stuff don't even allow. This cleanses the hair.
Well, use your good.
Cause I don't know what that crap is she got. I went up there and got a 2 for sale.
I don't buy no
For
two
what?
for.
Somebody sold
I
her
don't
2.
never go to no two
Now,
for nothing.
this, see the differences in lamb?
That was because that was the first shampoo. It was
No.
First shampoo don't ever.
Put her second one on there, one lamb.
Can I have my lip gloss on my purse?
You know,
Hey,
girl,
where your purse at?
I do. Why you want me on camera looking bad?
you have it.
Huh, you gotta get out your own purse. My mama told me you don't never go with nobody's purse. Use your fingertips, man. Don't scratch it with your
I use
fingertips.
my fingertips and I don't even have no.
Oh!
You wanna know something? They let me know she halfway washed her head.
Yeah.
You ain't never wash your head. Say
Ouch! You hurted me.
I'm hurting you,
It's hard
honey.
you wash
I
it
ain't
too
been washing your
hard.
head 5 or 6 times.
And I.
Used to have 4 heads to wash. Your hair ain't breaking bad though. Hold your head back. Put cholesterol, conditioner, orange, out of there. Put some of that in her head and I'll be through with her.
Why you saying through with me like that? You better knock the heads. That girl will call you that.
See, if you go to a beauty shop, they be stingy with them products.
2 pumps is all they told us.
Move your phone out my footage, honey.
You finna put that in my hair for real?
Y'all shampoo don't say whip aloe vera? The real aloe vera, baby.
You know I eat that.
Oh, could you put it on my hairline?
This how I used to take care of y'all hair when y'all was little.
I ain't never been treated like this.
Joe get grown like that mama never did nothing.
I know she not rubbing my ends together like this. That's alright. These sides gonna cut them next time anyway.
That's what's wrong with them. Watch all these old YouTube videos. No, put a bunch of bald head jokers
I
on
ain't
it.
never been on YouTube a day in my life.
If half of them take their wigs off, you a hoe.
Who she talking to?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Cause I showed my afro videos.
So you got aloe in your nappy head.
Happy.
Girl, your mama ruffling them ends.
Ruffling them like she's shuffling cards.
I took care of your hair for how many years? And it was swinging down your back.
Put a picture on. Don't put never mind. Don't put no picture on the screen. Hello? You said what? Nah, I'm getting my hair done. I think I'm her first client. She ain't never really did nobody.
So you need to cut that ends. I never cut y'all ends. And you need to rinse that hair until that water runs clear. Especially when you get in a perm. I used to leave all that crap in your head.
Hi guys!
Mango butter, coconut oil.
I want mango butter.
So Stephanie, raising your 5 kids, who taught you how to do hair? Is this a knack you already knew, or did you have to learn with your kids?
That's something God give a mama, just like you teach a dog how to take care of his pup. A woman can't comb her child hair, she'll sorry to her mom.
What if she's not good at combing hair and she tried?
If she comb her child hair every day, she gonna learn. Ain't no if and buts about it.
What about braiding? She knows she's supposed to know how to braid too.
Every mama I know how to braid her. If you comb your child's hair.
I don't like to tell lies. I know different moms.
How long it take you to do 3? If you had to do
What
my
she
hair, Boone hair, and Dominique hair, how long would you think it would take you? All 3?
4, because I used to do junior hair too, you forget.
Mama fast.
Yeah, I used to get up, comb y'all hair braid. We had a system, man. You don't remember?
Yeah, I
Y'all
remember.
never went to school with y'all heads now.
On Saturdays before we could go outside,
Yeah,
and
wash
she would
it.
say,
Then sometimes cause Junior had that good pretty curly hair, I had to get up and redo his in the morning time.
Yeah, because it was too soft.
Yeah, his was so soft, his wouldn't last, even if I washed it. So on Wednesday, I'd be taking Junior's down, giving him a ponytail. Now
What
get
about
up.
my hair? Okay.
she laughed.
Your red had coarser hair.
What they gonna do?
Thick. That's what you really want. Boone got beautiful thick coarse hair.
Why I don't got hair like that?
That ain't what God gave you, honey. Turn your head around. What is you looking
So how often should a parent do their child's hair?
every day? Well, if you gonna wear braid, what I used to do with y'all hair, because I had 4 little kids for braids. On Saturdays, I put y'all in the tub, wash y'all hair,
Oh.
and braid it up. On Saturday night, that way you ready for Sunday. I braid up while I was wet, and the braids gonna lock down. They gonna stay there. But Junior's, because he still has beautiful soft wave hair. Now Wednesday, Junior hair be freezing. So I would take his down, I'll take that wet brush. I just keep a brush, cup of water. And you dip that water in that brush. Your head a little piece, a little different.
She said, I got a little pea head joker.
Your head always was a little piece.
Pea head.
When I was
Pea head, little girl.
When you was little.
Hold your pea head still. Comment down below the phrase you remember when your mama used to comb your hair. My mama used to say, however you hold your head, that's how that part gonna go.
Oh, yeah, right. And I'm not going back and redo it.
Choosing on the jack. Choosing on the jack. Call fast and furious. Got your girl curious. She say she like my Dougie in the way that I deliver it. Baby, she's a lady of the 80s. Trading places, not the ordinary girl. You introduced the dread world. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the finest of them all? Dead one or dead one? Mine out to take them all. I ball so they eyeball. Get a distance and I might call. You saw that your loss, Lil Greg. Done it all. When I'm in the club, I see them girls looking. Catch me in the kitchen cooking. Head to toe. Don't the boy look nice? They choosing on the guy. From the left to the right. They choosing on the guy. They choosing on the guy. Is it the money or the cars or the clothes or the ice? They choosing on the guy.